the other colleagues, senators, and also every other protocol established, including the county assembly. Allow me to, there's a request made that Muranga showcases various innovation in technology. Whoever has the system, put them up. Your Excellency, Muranga County has automated various systems through our own internal staff. The first innovation was in revenue collection. On your left side are various revenue streams, whether market, quarrying, land, vet services. So that then means if you pay, we see this payment live data. So that is where you see the various collected data. For example, you can be able to know how many vehicles have been parked in Muranga County at any given time, how much money has been paid. Next slide is a single business permit and liquor. So if you own a business in Muranga, you go to the internet, you apply your permit. You don't have to come to the county headquarters to pay for single business permit or liquor license. The third one, Your Excellency, is a land management system. Anyone who wants to pay for building permit, lease, subdivision, transfer application of any sort. Again, you go onto the internet, you loading your documents, including your architectural designs. We process this via internet, and then you print your document. Go home, and you're able to see how much money has come to the county of Muranga. The other one, Your Excellency, is on fleet management. Muranga County, just like us, has about 100 motor vehicles. So we put this system to monitor where they are. So if you overspeed, we're able to monitor you. If you enter into a pub, we just send a text and the vehicle stalls. We are able, if there is an accident, we can play back. You are on the right track, you are overspeeding, and we are able to get that evidence. This has led to the reduction of number of accidents and also improved drivers' behavior. The other one is Inua Mkulima. Your Excellency, this one was made in partnership with Cooperative Bank of Kenya, where we give our farmers, those who are in milk and mango, subsidy money, so that when they go to a pre-qualified shop, they redeem certain farm inputs. For example, animal feeds, even foodstuff. So it is a technology that is mobile. So when you go to a certain shop, this is the card we give them. So you give it, if you are a member of that program, your money will be deducted, which has been in that e-wallet. That supports milk and mango value chains in Muranga. The other one is file management. This is our own internal system in the county government. We have another one for hospitals. We are able to now know patients are visiting our health facilities at any given time. We have about 150 facilities. So, for instance, now you can see we have 487 patients now. In the middle part, that is the diseases that have taken them there. At the end, they've paid us today, whether by M-Pesa or SHA claims. This system was made together with the Ministry of Health, and I thank Mr. Jared because he's currently in all 157 medical facilities. Allow me to end there because they are many, but just to give what are the downside or the problems we encounter. Number one is unstable internet. We hope that our service provider will be able to internet. Secondly is unstable power. We have been compelled to now solarize our health facilities so that when we have a problem with the grid, our systems continue functioning. Thank you.